Hey there everyone. There are a ton of quality backup cameras on the market right now. But which one is going to be the best for you and your specific needs? Well, in this video we're breaking down the best backup cameras in 2023. Backup cameras have become an essential part of driving and parking. They not only make the process more convenient but also make it safer by eliminating blind spots. With the rise in popularity of backup cameras, there are a plethora of options available in the market, including both wired and wireless options. However, in this video, we will be focusing on the best wired backup cameras. Wired backup cameras use a hardwired connection to the vehicle's electrical system, providing a clear and stable connection. They are known for their reliability and durability and are the preferred choice for most drivers. A wired backup camera eliminates the need for frequent battery replacements and eliminates the risk of signal interference. The first on our list is the Rear View Safety RVS770613N. It boasts a high-definition camera with a 7-inch monitor, providing a clear and wide view of what's behind you. The monitor comes with a suction cup mount, making it easy to install and adjust. Next on our list is the AUTO Backup Camera and Monitor Kit. It features a 4.3-inch monitor that provides a clear view of the rear of the vehicle, even in low light conditions. The camera is equipped with 18 infrared lights that provide excellent night vision. Finally, we have the LeeKooLuu LK3 backup camera. This camera is weather resistant and comes with a 170-degree viewing angle, providing a wider view of the area behind the vehicle. The camera is easy to install, and the monitor can be mounted on the dash or the rear view mirror. In conclusion, wired backup cameras are the preferred choice for most drivers due to their reliability and durability. The Rear View Safety RVS770613N, AUTO Backup Camera and Monitor Kit, and the LeeKooLuu LK3 backup camera are some of the best wired backup cameras in the market. They provide clear views, are easy to install, and are weather resistant, making them a great investment for any vehicle. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you liked this video and it helped out in any way, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I'll see you later.